Get off of my beach.
No, this is my beach. I'm the owner of the property.
Nobody owns the beach.
I'm the owner of this area.
Nobody owns any area.
Oh, really?
Oh, a plane. Who threw a plane at me? My dad works at the airport. Oh, God.
Hey, are you thirsty? Just asking. I'm just ticked.
Well, I'm glad you asked. Yes, I am. I'm parched, actually. You wouldn't happen to have any lemonade.
Oh, a friend of mine has lemonade here.
Who,
Right.
Potato Man?
I'm not Potato Man!
Well, lay it on me.
Okay. Hey, Ricky, can you give him some? Sure. Closer.
Here.
Closer.
Here.
Closer.
Here.
Closer.
How's this?
Closer.
Now?
Closer.
This?
Closer.
How about now?
Take a sip.
Now? Oh, it's delicious. Give me it. Oh, you drowned me. Oh, God.
You said give
You
you it.
drowned me. You threw a garbage can at me and you broke my back.
Okay, then I guess you wouldn't mind this.
How's that you? God. Another plane. What is this thing? What is this? Oh, good.
Something you're not supposed to be looking at.
Get out of my shot.
Ah!
I'm the star here.
No, you're not.
I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille.
Ah. No, the cameraman's not Mr. DeMille. His name is Mr. Peter. Mr. Peter Parker,
Get
I
off
think.
my beach. Give me my guy. Who threw that? Who threw that?
Who threw what?
That guy. That fat guy.
What do you mean like this?
Oh. You feel like a sack of potatoes.
Nobody called me a sack of potatoes and gets away with it.
Oh. Oh. What is happening? A shoe. Another garbage can. What's this?
Eat this.
It's the greatest
Back
day of my
off.
life. Oh. Another plate.
Hogs.
Oh no, not you. Not you.
Cheetah.